Hi, I'm Megha and today I'm gonna talk about a very important English grammar lesson and its name is the article. Yes, I'm sure that many of you must have heard about it but still confused? So don't worry, this video is for you. I'm gonna give you some points which will help you out to understand the concept of article in the simplest way. So let's start. To using a, and the, these three words in different sentences, all we know as article, right? And I think this is the simplest part of this topic, isn't it? But have you ever thought behind the reason of using these three words in sentences? No? So this is the time to think and raise some questions. So what kind of questions you need to ask here? Your first question should be, for whom does article work? And the second question should be, what sort of work is done by article in sentences? Once you find the answer of these two questions, I think you will be able to understand the concept of article. So let's try to find out the answer by the help of its definition. So what is article? Articles are those words used to modify the noun, and its basic, or you can say ultimate, job is to refer or to point out the noun. In these two lines, I think you get the answer of your two questions, and your first answer is article works for noun and the second answer is article modifies the noun. But here one more important question you need to ask, and what is that? How does article modifies the noun? To understand this, we will take two examples to make it easy. First example is, this is a book, right? This is a book. And second example is, this is the book I was talking about. So here we have two sentences in two different contexts with the same noun, and articles are different as well. So in first example we are talking about a book which we don't know before. That means it could be any book, right? And it is not a specific book, right? And in second example we are talking about the book which we have already known. That means it is a specific book. So here we are using a article a, we want to show that noun is not specific. And in second example, to using article the, we want to show that noun is specific. So in short we can say that by the help of article we come to know that which noun is specific and which noun is non-specific. So I think you got all the points and now you are clear with the concept of article. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe and do share. Thank you.